Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Pease. I am sitting here in front of my fireplace. We all know how much Mrs. Pease likes her fireplaces because I put it on our board when you guys come to school in the morning because it helps us feel nice and cozy and warm. And I thought, what better for me to read you a story in front of my fireplace? So I have a book today. This is from my kids' collection and it's called Don't Push the Button. And it's by Bill Cotter and it's illustrated by Bill Cotter. And I'm able today to read this book because I got permission from Source Books, who is the publisher of this book. So I want you to get all cozy and get ready to listen to me read to you Don't Push the Button. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it.
Shall we push it?
No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst. No one is looking. You should give the button one little push. You want to give it a push? Give it a push, Knox. Push the button. Ah! Now I'm yellow! Push it again! Can I push it? Oh! Ah! Now I'm yellow and polka dot! Push it twice. Ah! Now there's two of me! Push it a bunch of times! Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Almost. A little more. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Can you scratch his tummy? That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again.
Can we do it again, Mom?
Just a second, we can. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. Okay, push it. Do it again. Okay. And
He's big.
he is big. That book was Don't Push the Button. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you enjoyed my son coming in and helping to push the buttons. I hope you guys have a great weekend. And I hope we are staying safe and healthy. I love you all so much and miss you. Mwah.